Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ADP employer APIs for secure UI login flows step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with ADP employer APIs, ensure you have your API credentials at hand. Start by logging into the ADP developer portal. Once logged in, navigate to your app dashboard. Create a new application or select an existing one. Make sure your application has the necessary permissions for UI login flows. Next, obtain your client ID and client secret. These credentials are vital for the authentication process. The first step in the authentication flow is to direct users to the authorization endpoint. This endpoint requires several parameters, including your client ID, response type, and redirect URI. For response type, use the value code to initiate the authorization code flow. The redirect URI should match the one configured in your ADP application settings. After constructing your authorization URL, redirect users to this URL. Users will be prompted to log in to their ADP accounts. Upon successful login, ADP will redirect users back to your specified redirect URI. This redirect will include an authorization code as a query parameter. Capture this authorization code from the redirect. Next, exchange the authorization code for an access token. To do this, make a POST request to the token endpoint. Include the grant type as authorization_code in the POST body. Also include your client ID, client secret, and the captured authorization code. If successful, the response will contain an access token and potentially a refresh token. Store the access token securely, it will be used to authenticate API requests. If you receive a refresh token, use it to obtain new access tokens when the current one expires. With the access token, you can now make authenticated requests to the ADP employer APIs. Remember to include the token in the authorization header as a bearer token. Regularly check the expiration time of your access tokens and refresh as necessary. By following these steps, you ensure a secure and effective authentication process with ADP employer APIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.